Bryce here. So last time out, we created Blizzard Peppermint, the left end from Dallas Cowboys, number 74. But this week, we have a very tough matchup coming up against the New York Giants. And I know you saw I put it on 10 minutes, but then I've recorded this 3 times before, and it really took a long time. So I bumped it down to 6 minutes. That way I can have longer videos and hopefully have anything better than 10 minutes. Alright, well, enough talking. Let's just jump into this game. First possession, as the Dallas Cowboys cannot score on their first possession. And on the first play, I think I got the half a tackle on Shane Green. Let's see if they credit me with the full tackle, and it looks like it was a half tackle. So first possession, first play that is a half tackle, but this time it is a full half tackle as I get my first tackle out of 2 half tackles. So pretty cool there, pretty cool animation.
Not able to make the catch, but I'll give him an A for effort. The Giants snap it at the 41. And Green is stopped.
As I get into another game tackle, this is 39 as
to watch the football get picked off in opponent's territory. Smart defensive coach they're going against in this game today.
You just saw my first full NFL tackle as I demolished, looks like Shane Vereen. I didn't even let him get past my shoulder, so good luck getting past my defensive line.
The Cowboys defense now is going to go nickel halfway through the third quarter. Picks up about 2. Defense.
As you saw there, I just got my 3rd tackle on the game.
It's fun to watch every once in a while.
What a mark.
Take a beating.
What a play. Okay, I don't know why I said mark.
See the defense dominate.
Don't yell at me.
Second down and 8. He'll get it again. Swallowed up behind the line of scrimmage. Interesting situation here for the offense. They got a lead here in the second half, but it's 3rd and long. And you always like to say, the football is in the hands of the quarterback, so he has to be smart. If he tries to force it down the field, I do not like his chances. Loss of 2 on that play. 3rd and 10. Knocked down as he fires it.
So close. Why? Why?
The Giants heading back out there on offense, hoping to improve on their last possession, which ended rather quickly with a punt. Yeah, I think what they got to do, they got to come out and be a little more creative, get the defense off guard, make them think over there. That was too generic what they did on the offensive side. If you want to score, show some ingenuity. When you have a defense that's not playing good techniques, they're selling out, overplaying plays while you run the counter runs to counteract what they're doing on the defensive side. The Giants take it from the 33. Larry Donnell has the catch. I don't know what the answer is when it comes to guarding these tight ends now. There's just not much you can do. I'll tell you the best way to stop the tight end, rush the quarterback. We head to the 4th quarter, and this is still anyone's ball game today, Phil Simms. Yeah, you know, when you see a game like this, they're kind of fun to watch, where everything is so high scoring all the time now in the NFL. So whichever offense can find a way to get a score, listen, that's going to go a long way to probably winning this game. It's now 2nd down and 7 after the 3-yard rush. Vereen, the lone setback this time. Right back to him one more time. Cowboys guessed right on the defensive side that time. They thought it was going to be a run play. They were all over, and they got in the backfield and made the tackle.
is looking for passes down the field. We're all over everything, and the pass goes incomplete.
And he puts it through for 3.
When you get
The Giants in this low-scoring affair haven't done much with the football today, but fortunately for them, their defense has been sensational.
I think this is the kind of game we expected here today. Not often do you see a defensive battle in the NFL, but today we got one. We expected it, and it's been fun to watch. If it was me, I would cover the short receivers and force this guy to throw it down the field. You're behind by a few points. You got to try and force the issue.
Going to be a penalty here.
Neutral infraction, defense.
Defense was trying to guess the snap count, and it cost them there.
The defense has got to be a little aggressive here. Your team is down. You've got to attack this offense. You don't want them to get in there and get another score.
Eli Manning will take it from the center here. First down at the center. And Peppermint is stopped there. And here we have second down. Peppermint, the lone setback this time. They'll run it here. And it's Rolando McClain who makes the stop.
The game is close. It's in the fourth quarter. You're winning. You're on the offensive side. You find out if you can really run the football in these situations. That time, short gain on the run.
The clock's really become a factor here, and the team knows it has to get off the field as soon as possible to give the team a chance.
When you're leading the game in the fourth quarter and you're on offense, you are looking to use the time up on the clock. So that was a nice play call by the offense to run. Defense stops it for a short gain, though.
And now we reach the 2-minute warning. Brown's lining up for the field goal. He's 2 of 2 so far today. The kick is good.
With Dallas's last possession, can they finally score a touchdown and hopefully get the ball back with another? But no, they cannot. They can't even score, and I think they turned the ball over. And this looks like it's going to wound up being a loss in the first game of the season for the Dallas Cowboys.
Looking at the passing numbers on both sides of the ball, they're just not there. The coverage has been good, and it's been hard to move the ball against those secondaries.
Yeah, good job for the defense today. They got a good pass rush going. The coverage has been good down the field. And also, the defense has been good, but the quarterback has not been real sharp.
Gregory's all over the ball carrier.
Well, that's just the right call to make. In this situation, just run the football. Don't try to be some genius. You catch the defense off guard. Manage the clock.
And as the clock runs down, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game over. The Dallas Cowboys lose 9-0. The Dallas Cowboys defense played pretty good. I'm sorry I didn't show as much highlights, but the very terrible game. No highlights really made. And plus, at the end of this game, it was a 21-minute video. So I'm trying to cut it all down. And that's pretty much it. The Giants defense did amazing, stopping Tony Romo for 40 yards and 35 rushing yards from Darren McFadden. So far it's not really working for us. So this is probably.
Once you're ready, go ahead and select Advanced Week to get to your...
No, wait, guys. This video took a really long time. I'm just gonna do 1 week videos. I'm really sorry. I keep promising everything, but I cannot deliver because these take a really long time. So I am gonna end the video here done with 1 week. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry, but I have to end this video.